Did you know that a fly can beat its wings up to 200 times per second? That's faster than the blink of an eye. Imagine the blur of wings moving so rapidly, a hum in the air as the fly performs aerial feats with astonishing precision. This incredible wing speed is not just for show, it's crucial for their survival. It allows flies to hover in place, dart away from threats, and navigate through the air with ease. But how do they manage this? Flies have a specialized set of muscles called indirect flight muscles that contract and expand to power their wings. These muscles don't just move the wings up and down, but also twist them at various angles, allowing for those sharp turns and sudden stops. Flies can also coordinate their wings independently, enabling them to perform complex maneuvers and hover with precision. This level of control and agility is not just impressive, it's essential for their day-to-day activities, from escaping predators to finding food. So next time you see a fly buzzing around, remember, it's performing one of the most sophisticated flight maneuvers in the animal kingdom. Imagine seeing the world in a kaleidoscope of 4,000 tiny images. This is the daily experience of a fly, thanks to its extraordinary compound eyes. Unlike humans who have just two eyes each with one lens, flies possess these multifaceted eyes that provide them with an almost 360-degree view of their surroundings. Each facet or ommatidium in the compound eyes functions as a separate visual receptor, which collectively create a mosaic-like vision. This unique visual system doesn't provide sharp images like ours, but it excels in detecting movement and slight variations in light intensity. This capability is crucial for survival, allowing flies to perceive even the slightest movements in any direction. The rapid processing of visual information enables these creatures to react almost instantaneously to threats, including the approaching hands or swatters of frustrated humans. With such panoramic vision, it's no wonder flies are so good at escaping swatters. From egg to adult in just 1 week, the life cycle of a fly is incredibly fast-paced. It starts with the egg. Laid in batches, each tiny egg is a promise of potential, hatching into larvae in less than a day. These larvae, commonly known as maggots, dive into their environment, feasting voraciously. Within a matter of days, these energetic larvae encase themselves in pupal cases. Inside these protective shells, the magic of metamorphosis occurs. The larva's body reorganizes completely, preparing to emerge as a fully formed adult fly. This pupal stage is a remarkable example of nature's efficiency, taking place over just 2 to 3 days. Finally, the adult fly emerges, ready to take on the world. With a lifespan of only a few weeks, each moment is precious. Their rapid development from egg to adult is not just fascinating, it's a survival mechanism that allows them to thrive in various environments, reproducing quickly to ensure their species' survival. Flies don't just buzz around, they're on a tight schedule from the very start. Flies aren't just annoying, they're crucial to our ecosystem. Often dismissed as mere nuisances, these buzzing creatures play a pivotal role in the delicate balance of nature. Let's delve into how these tiny insects contribute far beyond what meets the eye. Pollination is one of the essential services flies provide. While bees get most of the credit for pollination, flies are unsung heroes in this domain. They pollinate a wide variety of plants, some of which are crucial to human agriculture and wild ecosystems. For example, the cacao plant, the primary source of chocolate, relies heavily on flies for pollination. Without them, the production of chocolate would be severely threatened. Furthermore, flies serve as a vital food source for a myriad of other species, including birds, bats, and amphibians. Their presence in the food chain helps maintain the population balance of these predator species, ensuring ecological stability. Without flies, we might not have chocolate. Now that's food for thought. Flies are infamous for spreading diseases, but did you know they can also help detect them? Indeed, these buzzing insects are not just annoyances at picnics. They are key players in the spread of serious illnesses such as typhoid and cholera. Flies can pick up pathogens by landing on contaminated surfaces or waste, and then transfer these harmful microorganisms to food or water sources, unwittingly becoming vectors of disease. However, the tale of flies isn't solely one of doom and gloom. In the realm of medical research, flies have found a new role as detectors of pathogens. By analyzing the pathogens found on flies in a specific area, scientists can identify potential outbreaks before they become widespread. This method, known as biological monitoring, leverages the natural behavior of flies to serve as early warning systems for public health threats. Thus, while flies can indeed pose significant health risks, they also offer invaluable insights that can protect communities. Flies can be both a danger and a tool in public health. The humble fruit fly has been a superstar in genetic research for over a century. Meet Drosophila melanogaster, a tiny fly that has punched far above its weight in the world of science. Its simple genetic makeup has been a window through which scientists peek into the complex world of genetics. Why fruit flies, you might wonder? Well, these flies are not only easy to care for, but they breed rapidly and have a short lifespan, allowing researchers to study many generations in a relatively short period. This makes them perfect for genetic experiments. Drosophila's contribution is monumental. By observing mutations and gene functions in flies, scientists have unraveled key insights into human biology and diseases. From understanding the basics of heredity to unraveling the mysteries of diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, Drosophila has been at the forefront. These insights have paved the way for breakthroughs in gene therapy and genetic engineering, revolutionizing medicine and offering hope for cures to debilitating diseases. Thanks to these tiny creatures, we understand much more about genetics than ever before. Flies have even conquered space. Among the myriad of living organisms that have ventured beyond Earth's atmosphere, the common fruit fly, or Drosophila melanogaster, holds a unique place. These tiny astronauts have been part of numerous space missions, helping scientists unravel the mysteries of life in zero gravity. The intrigue with flies in space began when researchers realized that their rapid life cycle and genetic simplicity make them ideal subjects for biological studies. In the weightlessness of space, these flies have contributed to our understanding of how microgravity affects cellular function and development. Notably, experiments conducted on the International Space Station have observed how flies and their offspring adapt to the alien conditions of space. These studies have shown changes in muscle formation, growth rates, and even how their immune systems respond when away from Earth. These insights gained from flies help pave the way for long-term human space travel, shedding light on potential health issues and the adaptations necessary for survival in space. From earthbound pests to astronauts, flies have really gone places. Ever thought a fly could inspire cutting-edge technology? It turns out, these tiny creatures are not just about buzzing aimlessly around your picnic. The remarkable flight abilities of flies are actually paving the way for groundbreaking advances in drone technology and robotics. Flies possess an extraordinary ability to maneuver swiftly in all directions, and they can change course in less than 1/50th of a second. Engineers are deeply fascinated by this agility. By studying the mechanics of fly wings and their sensory systems, researchers have developed drones that mimic these nimble movements. These drones, equipped with enhanced stabilization and improved agility, can navigate more efficiently through complex environments. Furthermore, the compound eyes of flies, offering a nearly 360-degree view, inspire the development of advanced vision systems in robots. These systems aim to improve robotic perception, enabling machines to better understand and interact with their surroundings. Flies aren't just buzzing around, they're inspiring the next generation of technology. Today, we've discovered the extraordinary world of flies, from their rapid life cycles to their surprising role in science and technology. We began our journey by marveling at their mastery of flight, where these tiny aviators beat their wings up to 200 times per second, enabling maneuvers that rival even the most sophisticated aircraft. We then delved into the unique perspective of a fly, exploring the world through their compound eyes, which afford them almost a 360-degree view, making them nearly impossible to catch unawares. Our exploration took us through the brisk life cycle of a fly, from egg to adult in just a week, highlighting their ability to thrive in diverse environments. We uncovered their roles beyond mere pests, serving as crucial pollinators and even acting as disease detectors in medical research. Their genetic makeup has offered vast insights into biological processes, and they've even journeyed into space, helping us understand life in microgravity. So the next time you swat at a fly, remember just how fascinating and crucial these tiny creatures are to our world.